In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Ecwid. If you've just embarked on your e-commerce journey and chose Ecwid as your platform, adding products is a pivotal step towards setting up your online store. It's exciting and a bit daunting, but worry not, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, to begin this process, you'll need to access Ecwid's web page. Simply head to Ecwid's official website. This is your gateway to a plethora of e-commerce possibilities that Ecwid offers. The interface is user-friendly, and navigating through it is fairly straightforward. Once you're on the page, locate the login button, it's hard to miss. Click on it and you'll be one step closer to your goal. Now, Ecwid offers various methods to sign into your account, but for simplicity and ease, let's go ahead and click on Sign In with Google. It's a quick way to get started without having to remember another password. A new window will pop up, prompting you to select the Google account you want to use for signing in. Choose the one you prefer or the one associated with your store. After successfully logging in, you're taken to the Ecwid control panel. This is where the magic happens. It's your command center for managing your online store. To add a product, you'll first need to navigate to the catalog section. Hover over catalog on the dashboard and it'll expand to show more options. From these options, click on Products. This action redirects you to the products page of your online store. Look for the Add New Product button. Clicking on it is your first real step towards expanding your store's inventory. Upon clicking, you're greeted with a user-friendly product listing page where the fun begins. Every product needs a face, so let's start by uploading an image of your product. A clear, high-quality image can significantly enhance your product's appeal. Click on the designated area to upload your product images. You can drag and drop the files or browse your computer for them. Remember, the first impression counts, so choose wisely. Next, let's give your product a name. The product name should be clear, concise, and descriptive. It's the first thing customers see and plays a crucial role in their purchasing decision. Type the name in the designated field. Following the name is the product description. This is where you can get a bit more detailed and creative. Provide a comprehensive description of your product, covering its features, benefits, and any other relevant information. Good descriptions can significantly improve search visibility and customer engagement. Lastly, after meticulously filling in all the necessary details, images, name, and description, the final step is to save your hard work. Look for the Save and Close button, usually positioned at the bottom or top right corner of the page. Clicking this ensures all your entered information is stored and the product is officially added to your store. Congratulations, you've successfully added a product to your Ecwid store. It's a big step towards building your online presence and reaching customers worldwide. Remember, the more detailed and clear your product listings are, the easier it is for customers to make informed purchasing decisions. Adding products is just the beginning. Ecwid offers a multitude of features to enhance your e-commerce experience. From setting up different shipping options, to integrating payment gateways, managing inventory, and much more. Take the time to explore all the functionalities Ecwid has to offer to maximize your store's potential. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has made the process of adding products to your Ecwid store easier and less intimidating. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you navigate through the exciting world of e-commerce with Ecwid. Happy selling!